Today I am reviewing this LED red light therapy lamp. Really cool design, has these 4 heads. They have 6600 and 8800 wavelength LEDs at a 1-to-1 ratio. There's 40 of each throughout these, and you can change the amount up or down. These all move around here, and you have this big tripod, goes up to about 5 feet with different adjustments. You can see the bottom of it here. You can plug it in with USB. It also includes this wall plug, but I'm just going to go ahead and plug it in with the USB. Then you have this controller up here. It has on and off. You gotta turn it on, and then you're getting all the benefits of red light therapy. Can help with your muscles, help with your skin, all of that stuff. I've been using these for a while and I really like them. And then you can change, you either have a timer where you can adjust it 10, 20, or 30 minutes and it'll automatically turn off. And it really provides a nice, you can really angle these to put them however you want, all around you, get it right where you want, on your back, on your legs, wherever. And this setup, it's really nice because it can do it like while you're working or doing something else. If you hit the color button, it'll just turn off each individual one of these. So it'll go down to 1 if you want a less intense, and then it'll go back up to all 4. That is how it works. And these are all very sturdy, nice design on here. You can move them however you want. Great for when you're sitting at the office. You could do this, while watching television, playing games, doing all kinds of stuff. Just another good product. It all collapses down. There's 3 points right here where you can lower it down. See here? So you can store it easily. And these all have nice locks in them here. Then it just goes into this nice thing. This twists off at the top too. It's going to be placed on something else. Has this nice tripod base here, which also folds up. So yeah, overall, a really nice product, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.